Okay, in my comment that quantum mechanics has an idea of causality where one cause can lead to multiple effects, I got some reaction to that. And Shame on Canada, for example, is telling me that can't be true. That cause has to be one to the next one at a time, uh, branching out at all. And he says, it is our inability to apprehend the precise nature of the cause, in this case the photon, which results in our only being able to predict the various probabilities of multiple possible outcomes. Well, you see, that's what they thought for a long time. For, you know, over a century at least, people thought, oh, hey, um, we have these laws of physics, and all we lack is a bunch of details. We have an idea of uncertainty and probability, but those are just because we don't know all the facts. So let's learn more and more of the facts. And finally, people looked more and more at the facts, and they said, no, not so quick. The facts turn out to be that you can have one cause turn into multiple results. At least that's the argument of quantum mechanics at this point. What you're talking about is a hidden variable theory, which can be thought about, can be, put into the mathematics, and that does not have favor because it's hard to make one. And when you make one, they're even weirder than quantum mechanics. Okay, now the spontaneity simply comes in because we don't know why one rather than the other of the random choices happens for us. But there are ways to deal with that. For example, a multidimensional approach, a many historied approach, where all the possibilities happen. You still have your determinism. There's still something like a one-to-one because all the effects happen. But they happen something, what you would call like a different universe, a universe where suddenly we don't see those photons, we don't see those events anymore, we don't see that chain of events. And the answer still has to be found to, well, why do we go in one track rather than another? And that's the thing about quantum mechanics is that no, it doesn't tell us why there would be will. There's no forces in quantum mechanics that look like the force of will. But what there is there's a window. The classical physicists said, oh, there was no window for free will. Well, there is. There's a window. There is a window of multiple things that can happen, and that's the window in which will could operate, whatever force or system does generate it. All right.